Attending horse shows has been near and dear to my heart. I remember coming since I think I was about 4 years old. Cal Poly Pomona, it's essentially like my backyard. I'd come here often with my parents. I remember sitting on the bleachers as a kid thinking to myself, I want to do that. That's going to be me someday. I was really hard on myself. I always wanted to get straight A's. My parents made, a lot of sacrifices. My mom, she's a first-gen student and she worked for everything that she got. And watching that, I think, has inspired me and translated into the work that I've done. I remember being accepted into the university and I was like, I did it, I'm here. It's been so sweet to stand there and remember that promise that I made to myself. That was a huge part of choosing this university. And the other one was the Polytechnic way, learn by doing. That was really important to me because I'm a visual learner, and to be able to apply what you learn in class, what you learn through the book, and do it with your hands was so important to me. I have professors in the ag department. They teach with the love and they have this heart behind what they're doing. Professor Holly, she was the very first ag professor that I had as a freshman, and she brings these real world situations into the classroom and teaches you how you can apply them. Tammy Peters, she's not only invested in me as a student, but every student that she has in her class. It's really neat when a professor is willing to stay back and teach you because it makes you feel as a student that you matter, your learning matters, your experience matters, but also you as a person matters. I applied for an internship at the San Diego Zoo for wildlife care. It is extremely competitive. It's actually competing against students from across the globe. Cal Poly Pomona definitely gave me a leg up in what I could offer in my resume. That's what they're looking for. They want to see that students can take what they've learned and apply it in the real world, because I can not only say, hey, I learned that, but I actually do that. To be offered a position, it is priceless. I'm so excited to be a part of such a impactful zoo and also see where I'll go within this organization. I remember as a kid walking through those barn aisles, and to be here today with the knowledge and the skills that I have is so special. And if I could tell that little girl that you're gonna work here and you're gonna take that and you're gonna work at the San Diego Zoo, I would be shocked. And not just shocked, but I'd be proud.